If Beehiiv is showing a Cloudflare error, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simplest steps to get Beehiiv loading properly again. Whether the issue is caused by your browser, your internet connection, your VPN, or a Cloudflare security check. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple reload is enough to reconnect you to the site. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. Cloudflare errors can happen when the server is under heavy traffic or having a short connection issue, so giving it a little time can solve the problem without doing anything else. Next, check your internet connection. Try opening another website and see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow or not loading, the issue may be with your network rather than Beehiiv itself. If you're using a VPN, disable it and try loading Beehiiv again. Cloudflare sometimes blocks or flags VPN traffic, so turning it off can immediately fix the error. After that, restart your router or network connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect, or power cycle your router if needed. This can refresh your IP address and clear out small connection issues. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old site data can interfere with how Beehiiv and Cloudflare load in your browser, so removing that stored data often helps. If the issue still continues, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This gives you a clean browsing session with fewer stored settings, so it's a great way to test whether the problem is caused by cached data or extensions. Speaking of extensions, disable your browser extensions one by one or turn them all off temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can sometimes interfere with Cloudflare checks and cause access errors. If that still doesn't fix it, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser setup, and switching browsers solves it right away. Next, restart your browser completely. Close every tab, fully exit the browser, and open it again before visiting Beehiiv. A quick restart can clear small session problems that may be causing the error. If needed, restart your computer as well. This can refresh your system connection, browser processes, and network settings all at once. Another helpful step is to try a different network connection. For example, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, or from one internet source to another. This helps determine whether your current network is being flagged or blocked by Cloudflare. Also, check whether other websites are loading normally. If only Beehiiv is failing while everything else works, that's a strong sign the issue is specific to the site or its security protection. Don't forget to verify that your system date and time are correct. An incorrect clock on your device can sometimes cause browser security problems and prevent Cloudflare from validating your connection properly. Finally, if Beehiiv shows a Cloudflare security check, complete it carefully if prompted. In many cases, simply confirming the challenge is enough to restore access. So to recap, start with the easiest fixes first. Refresh the page, wait a few minutes, check your internet, disable your VPN, and clear your browser data. Then move on to incognito mode, extensions, browser changes, and network troubleshooting if needed. Most Cloudflare errors are temporary or browser-related, so one of these steps usually gets Beehiiv working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.